A hoopty thingy?
That's a hoopty thingy. Right? So we're going to call that a bearing. And that's a bearing.
Did I put that right there?
Yep. Okay, so grab the pieces. Right? Sweet. Okay, now what do you think? Can you grab some little screws, 6 of them?
Mm-hmm.
I want to help.
Too bad.
Too bad, too sad.
Too bad?
Too sad.
Okay, here, let me get this out of your way.
Here, you can pick out 2 more screws. Take 2. There.
You guys know what a bearing is?
That thing.
You know what that thing does? Did you see how it spun around and moved?
Mm-hmm.
So it allows 2 pieces to move and spin. So you see how it spins on the outside? It's okay. Now here's a screwdriver.
It's okay.
You'll need that. And see if you can't line up your screw holes. And then you put your 6 screws in. But don't tighten them down yet. Just put them all in there a little bit.
First stuff.
Like that?
Yep. Now tighten it down just a little bit. Yep.
Oh, this is hard.
So you're gonna have to use 2 hands. Try this. Try taking your 2 fingers, setting it in there. And then you can just twist a little bit. Now try that.
I don't think it's in the right. Okay.
Here.
What, left or right?
It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's a good way to always remember.
This good?
Yep. Just to get it started. Now keep getting all 6 of them started there. So then I think, Christine, I texted you a thing. Can we go in there and then just in a minute here she'll say what's a bearing and then you could read.
And then I do the voice?
Yeah, if you want.
Perfect. Okay.
That's my 3rd one.
Yep.
So a bearing. So we're doing the bearing one or
Yep.
stepper motor? Okay.
Stephanie. They can't see you.
But they can dream of me.
No, come, I have to fix this.
I don't think anyone wants to see you in their dreams.
Okay. So now that you have them all in there, you're good to tighten them down.
Okay.
And you know why you keep them loose until you get them all in?
Why?
Otherwise, it could be off a little bit, and you're going to tighten that one down, and then you're not going to be able to move it over to get it aligned.
Mm-mm. Is it always righty tighty, lefty loosey?
Yes.
Yep, always.
Is that good? Okay.
Yep, that's good. Now, when you tighten these down, you don't go around in a circle. Go from here across, yep, and then go to your left, and then do catty corner, and that evenly tightens a surface down. Yep.
Stephanie, is she under there?
Yeah, she's inside it. And then ask your mom what a bearing is.
What's a bearing?
A bearing is like a tiny helper that helps things turn smoothly, kind of like a toy with wheels. It's a small part that lets things spin easily without getting stuck. Just like how a door needs hinges to open and close smoothly, a bearing helps things like wheels or fans turn around without making them hard to move. Sure, here's an explanation of a PCB and its component. Oh.
That's cool.
That was the end.
That's cool.
There.
Was that easy?
Yeah?
And you got to learn what a bearing is, a little something, right?
Is that it?
Well, that's it for this
Then
segment.
stop.
And then
You are
essentially,
gonna be
you'll just keep going until you make
Get
a
over
full
here.
one.
Yay.
And then, like, you know what that is?
Just send a picture
What?
of your dad.
That's called an end stop switch. So this piece here spins all the way around, and it knows when to stop.
Do I get to make a full one?
Not today. We're gonna do the pan assembly next time, because I don't have the drawing. instructions for it, but if you want, you can open that one up and we can do it together without instructions.
Mm-hmm.
I can help you.
Stephanie,
Come on, Stephanie, let's do this.
do you want to build one?
Okay.